welcome back. It's now the next day after Boxing Day, after we put the steady light bars and the spotties on, and we've had some stuff rock up that we've been waiting for a little bit. So we got all the awning brackets that we need to put the awning on the car. So we might hopefully get that on today, depending how Ryan feels. He's just in Rocky at the moment, but he's coming back today. And then we've also got the new crystal clear lights for the Series 1 grill that we've bought, which I'm super keen to get on. It's a nice grey with the black grill bits, and then we're just rocking the Series 1 crystal clear lights. So hopefully they look pretty nice. So I already put them on a little bit on the grill and they look really nice on the grill, so let's just hope it suits the car. Picked it up with a mate, he didn't want it. Brand new grill from Patrol Apart. And then these are also Series 1 indicator lights are from Patrol Apart as well. So yeah, we'll get into it, guys, and we're going to have to take off the bull bar and then take off the old grill, which is very munted. So yeah, we'll get into it and we'll keep you guys updated.
Got ready for the night in. She's heading for the lights, but she sees the vision going. Cupping line after line. See how she looks for trouble. See how she dances and she sips the Coca-Cola.
So yeah, guys, that's the grill all off and the bull bar and everything out of it, all the wiring. So this is the new grill we'll be putting in with these crystal clear Series 1 lights. And that's the old one that we pulled out. It was hatted. It's on its last legs, like it's got paint missing everywhere. We painted it originally and it was just shocking, this one. It has cracks all over it, like, oh, that's cracked. There's so much cracks in it, and then at the top here is where it's the worst. So that's why we decided to get a new one, and then that has acid all leaked on it, and then this side's, I think, a broken one. Yep, and then all the tabs are missing and broken as well on them, so that's why we're going with the brand new Series 1 grill. We're going to chuck that in now and see how it looks, and hopefully it comes up quite nice. So yeah, we'll get into it. So yeah, you can see where we put the Raptor on, the difference from where it goes very dark to the light. Might give the radio a little bit of clean. Got a few bees in there and everything. So yeah, it's gonna come up nice, hopefully. Yeah, let's get into it and we'll keep you guys updated.
She can't tell the difference, eh? That's what you're coming for, but they don't wanna let you in it. You drop your back to the floor and you're asking what's happening.
There, guys, that's the new grill on. Came out quite nice. I'm pretty happy with it. So now we're just gonna chuck the crystal clear Series 1 grill lights on and then see how that looks. So we're gonna have to, with the earth, tear back the cover for the earth wire, just so we can put the earth of the halos onto them as well on both sides. So we got that yellow wire there, and then we just got this one as well, so we're just wrapping it around. So yeah, came up quite nice, and I'm really happy that it came with the grill clips, as the old one didn't have grill clips. So I'm pretty happy. And when we tried to order the grill clips, we couldn't order any of them because they had them on back order where we went to, and they said they would take ages to get in, so you're better off just zip tying it. So we zip tied the old one on because it was broken, half of them anyway. We didn't even have clips for them as well. So yeah, I'm happy that one came with clips, and I really like the look of the Series 1. It's a lot more different to the old, I think this is a Series 2, not 94 to 97 model. So yeah, but that's a 97, so yeah, it's a hell of a lot better with that Series 1 grill. And I probably will eventually get a Nissan badge just to finish that middle bit off. I'm not very decided yet, but that's just an idea for the track down the road. But yeah, came up quite nice and real happy with it. So yeah, we'll get those crystal clear lights on and we'll see how it looks.
It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. But she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. She can't tell the difference yet.
So guys, that's the grill on with the Series 1 indicator lights in and wired up. So we had to, like I was saying before, we had to like wrap it around the earth for the headlights, And of course we're gonna have to put electrical tape around that so it's waterproof and to keep it watertight. So yeah, we're just gonna test them quickly and show you guys what they look like. So trial, we're gonna test them. That's the left side all working, and then there's the right side. So yeah guys, that came up quite nice. I'm real happy with it. Of course we're going to change these top ones so they're a clear one. I'm going to put the old ones in because I know we got a clear one, but I can't remember if it was as clear, but I know it looks a lot more less yellow than those ones do. So we're going to chuck the old LED ones that we have, and we're going to have to chase them up because I knew we had trouble finding them last time, but that's the light, it's all on. So yeah, real happy with it. Guys, that's the indicator grill lights all in place. They look pretty good. I'm really happy with them. So yeah, really happy with the way they came out, and yeah. So that's them all done. Now we'll just start putting the rest of the stuff together with the bull bar, and then the bull bar's all on. So yeah, really happy with how it turned out. So yeah guys.
1 week later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the build on the Patrol. So recently we got the awning and we whacked it on just to try it out for a camping trip, and we didn't film anything of that. So pretty much what we're doing today is pulling the awning back off to strengthen the brackets, as this is what the brackets are like. And so we've got another bracket that we've bought just to connect from here. It's like a T. It's going to connect right in there like another elbow, just to strengthen that a lot, as it was very flimsy when we put it on. And when we first put it on, we put like the extension on. So we made an extension bracket to give it a lot more support, so it's being held by 2 rails instead of just this 1 rail, where it was only 2 bolts in the bracket and it was pretty wobbly. So we did that last time quickly before we went camping because we wanted to try the awning out. So pretty much we pulled the awning off just then, so that's over there, and we're just gonna put those new brackets on tomorrow hopefully, or maybe even this afternoon if we can get them. So yeah, that's that. And then also we've just got a few little things we got to do. Our steady switches have rocked up for our light bar, UHF, and spotlight. And quickly I'm just gonna remove this old sticker that I haven't got around to doing yet. So we're quickly gonna smash that out and peel it off and get all the sticky stuff off it. This is the spray we're gonna be using. So all we do is just spray it on there, leave it on there for about 3 to 5 minutes. So pretty much just spray it on, and we'll just let that sit there for a little bit. We'll get a rag quickly and wipe all that excess off. Yeah, we'll let that sit for a bit, and then we'll get the paint scraper that will paint it off, scrape it off. So yeah guys. That's the sticker actually all removed now, but now we just got to remove all the sticky stuff. So we just spray again and leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then it should just come straight off like the sticker did. So yeah, keep you guys updated and we'll show you what it's like when it's done. So yeah guys. And just like that guys, the sticker is all removed and all the sticky stuff. Just sprayed it, gave it a few minutes to sit, and then pretty much just wiped it off with a rag. So yeah guys, that's how good that spray is. So we've moved the awning now. It looks like it's gonna rain, so we might stop and wait till tomorrow to finish off all the brackets. So we're gonna clean the awning quickly, give the back of it a little wipe down, just a little bit dirty. So yeah, that's that part all done. Just another thing out of the way that I've been looking at trying to do. So yeah guys, keep you guys updated with how we're working and progressing along with the awning, and if we do any more today, but most likely we'll get back into it in the morning. Sweet. So yeah guys, that's it. We'll see you guys in the morning. Welcome back. It's now the next day after yesterday afternoon, after we pulled the awning back off and did that sticker. So we've been to Bunnings this morning and we've got the brackets. So this is pretty much what we're going to use, these brackets. It's a nice little black triangle bracket. And so basically we're going to have to cut them down to suit the brackets between there and the roof racks so they don't touch. And we've just picked up a heap of bolts and stuff as well, just like some washers, some nuts and some bolts to suit that and extend the bolts in the awning as well. And we just also picked up some rust guard black, give that, finish it off, and so when we cut the grinder with the grinder, all the bits we cut, we'll spray this over it to protect it from rust. So yeah guys, we've cleaned the awning a little bit. We just gave a little bit of a wipe down to clean up all the dirt on it. So yeah, this is pretty much the awning wiped down. So it's obviously you see where the brackets at. Come up, alright. Yeah guys, we'll get into it. Yeah guys, that's the bracket all cut down now to suit this middle one. So pretty much all it does is just fits flush in there, and we're going to drill some holes just in there so we can get into the holes there, and then we're going to spray the ends with that rust protector stuff so it doesn't rust. But with this end bracket here, we've got to move it over a little bit so it's not on the feet, so we don't have to cut into the strength of this little bend thing here that connects the bit together, so we don't have to cut into that. So we'll quickly move that over just a tiny bit as the awning can move. This front one's fine as we can get onto the front there. Just got to take a little bit more off for that front one, but this middle one is all done, nice and perfect. So yeah guys, it's coming up quite nice and it's come together. So that's the last thing we'll do. So once we get all three brackets all done up and sprayed with the rust protector, we'll let it dry for a little bit. Then we'll move on to the switches in the car and we'll get that all. So yeah guys, that's all three brackets now cut, just to strengthen that little bit there. As you can see, she'll just sit right in there by all three brackets. So now all we got to do is put the brackets in here, in there like that, and mark the holes, the drill, just so that the screws can just go straight into them and then go straight through the bracket as well. So yeah, we're just going to mark all them three out now, and then we'll drill them, then we'll spray them with that stuff, and then we'll move on to the switches in there. So yeah, that's it. So you guys, that's our brackets all done now. We've drilled the holes where they need to be for the awning, for the actual awning brackets for the screws to go through. So that's the front one, middle one, and back one. So now all we're going to do is spray the ends and the holes that we just drilled with rust protector, as we just flappy disced all the SS metals off. So yeah guys, that's what we really got left to do for the awning brackets. And then we'll just put them awning brackets straight back on, and then the awning can go straight back on with new bolts and everything. So yeah guys, it's coming together. So yeah, that's it. So yeah guys, that's the ends all sprayed and the holes that we just drilled in them all sprayed. So now we're just going to let them sit for like an hour or so, let it dry. And then we're going to do our switches probably at the same time while we're waiting for them to dry. So yeah guys, that's them basically done. All now is left to just put them on the car and then put the awning back on, which is right there at the moment. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the awning. We'll get in there. So yeah guys, we've just moved on to the panel inside and the switches what we're going to be working on. So we just cut out a bit of black aluminium spray painted that we have, so it fits nice in there. We're just going to run some double-sided tape all on the sides and then put it in. So that's the box that's going to hide. So pretty much all we're going to do where the spotlight switch is at the moment, we're going to put a UHF switch, and then we're going to move the spotlight one up next to the light bar one, which is up here, next up behind the wheel here, and then we're going to switch the light bar one over to the proper light bar switch that we've ordered. So yeah guys, we're just going to give this a little clean down with some wax and grease remover, and then we'll get into it. So yeah guys, this is what we've got, the switches. So this is the UHF one, just a little UHF end there, and then this is the spotlight one, and then this is the light bar one, which we're going to be putting in. So basically the UHF one's going there, and then the light bar and the spotlight are right next to each other over there. So yeah guys, that's it.
Early the next morning.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's now the next morning after yesterday, after we did all the brackets and started doing the switches inside. Unfortunately yesterday we ran out of time, so we didn't get the switches done. But today now we're going to be finishing off the switches in the panels and hopefully getting the roof, the awning on as well. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it, and then we can start doing everything else right now. So we're going to start off with the switches again, get them all out of the way, as we're going to wire one switch up and put that panel in. So yeah guys, we'll get into it. So yeah guys, that's the panel all in now in the UHF switch all in with the UHF all connected up. So basically all the UHF stuff's behind there hidden away, and we'll also plugged in the new light bar one and just wired it up the new spotlight one. So all we got to do is put them in there now, and then that's pretty much all done. So yeah guys, we'll get into it and we'll keep you guys showing you how it's going. So yeah guys, that's everything all done now. All the switches are in, came up quite nice and pretty happy with it. They all work. So that's our light bar, and then our spotty one, and then UHF down here, and our panel that we've just put in. So that's pretty much all done. So now we're going to work on doing the awning brackets. So they should be all dry now and get that awning back on. So yeah. So yeah guys, now we're moving on to the awning brackets. So we pretty much just drilled out the top holes that we needed to drill to make the bolts big enough. So that's them all painted up, and we just put some primer on them as well, just to make it rust protected. So we're just going to quickly chuck that on, and then so yeah guys, that's the brackets all on now. So we're getting ready to put the awning on. So basically all we did was just bolt the tops on, and then so you push the bolts through for the awning that slide in the rails on the awning, and we just chucked them in. So we had to go with some bigger bolts. We had to run some 35mm instead of the 20mm that was in there, or 25mm I believe it was. So we got them, and we're going to chuck the awning up now. So yeah guys, it's coming together. Pretty happy with it. They're a lot sturdier now, and they'll be a lot more sturdier and when the bolts go through and the awning's on. So yeah guys, we'll show you what it looks like when it's on.
That's what you're coming for, but they don't wanna let you in.
So you guys, that's the awning all on now. All we got left is to tighten the bolts. As we've got all the bolts and washers on, all we got to do is just tighten them. So it pulls that gap between the awning over. As you can see there, big gap there, so we just got to tighten them all. So yeah guys, that's all pretty much left for the awning. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up. So you guys, that's the awning all done. All the bolts are all tightened up now. So now that's pretty much it. Time to pack up. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's episode on the patrol. So that's part 4 done. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Stay tuned for more exciting things coming in the next part, hopefully, or part 6. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed it.
Get back to the floor. You're asking what's happening. It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. She sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. That's what you're coming for. They don't wanna let you in. You drop your back to the floor. You're asking what's happening. It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. She sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. How she looks like trouble.